Hi, everybody. I am Sarah Crowe, and I just want to talk to you briefly about end-of-life care in critical care. Very important topic. There's so many of our patients don't survive their stay in critical care, so knowing what to do at end of life is so important to ensure the patient doesn't suffer and that the family has a good experience. So really looking at once the patient is determined to not be able to survive their critical care stay, you really want to have a solid plan to support comfort and palliation in critical care. And I know sometimes this is difficult for us to wrap our brains around coming from a critical care perspective, but really being focused on comfort above all else rather than cure. One of the main points I want you to take from this is that withdrawing life support at end of life is not withdrawing care. It's about providing a different sort of care. And it is so important for the family and patients to have a good experience at end of life care, that they're not thinking about withdrawal, they're thinking about what they are getting. So we're looking at providing symptom relief, really focused on providing pain control, control of anxiety, shortness of breath. So whether we're doing this through IV medications or subcutaneous medications, also looking at ways to withdraw the ventilator. We want to make sure the patient doesn't suffer. So looking at a slow wean, so we can induce hypercapnia versus a quick wean to make the end of the life process quicker, but really focused on comfort through the entire process so that the patient isn't suffering and any symptoms that come up are dealt with. As a bedside nurse, you really want to have a plan so that when you approach that family and that patient, you know exactly what you're going to do and how you're going to do it. So focusing on communication with the patient and family so they know what to expect, describing the process to them so that everybody's on the same page and has an understanding. There are some details that can be negotiated or a plan made. This may be about the timing of the withdrawal. Perhaps they want to have a special prayer or a special celebration prior, giving the family the space to do those things first, and then having a very stepwise approach to comfort at end of life, making sure that any occurrence of any new symptoms are dealt with quickly, that the family knows that you're there to provide what they need and that you're readily available. So really looking at good communication, a focus on comfort and alleviating suffering to make sure the patient and the family experience a dignified death at end of life in critical care.